Well, it's a beautiful follow-up to course number 2, which is all about recovering your physical body, is the series that follows in course number 3, which is yoga. And this yoga is being instructed by Adriene. Now, Adriene is a YouTuber with millions of followers. She lectures and teaches and moves our bodies all throughout the entire world. And she has agreed to let me provide for you 6 of her different videos that are specific to being able to help your body recover from trauma. So enjoy each of them, enjoy them one day at a time, and add them to the activities you're doing to recover. And you can include your whole family in this as well. In fact, one of the things that's really important, and we'll get into a little bit more, is that you involve your family in a really healthy way in your own recovery process. And yoga just seems to have that collective capacity where more than one person can do it. No one has to do it perfectly, and everybody feels so much better afterward. Okay, see you in the next course.